Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make smoke circles. First, find a calm indoor space with minimal air movement to prevent disruption. Next, gather your smoke source, such as an e-cigarette or an incense stick, ensuring it produces a good amount of smoke. Finally, prepare your mouth by forming a small, firm O shape with your lips, ready for the technique. This initial setup is crucial for success. Once you have your smoke, take a puff and hold it in your mouth, not inhaling into your lungs. Now, focus on your mouth shape. Create a small, firm O with your lips, almost like you are about to say O. The key is to keep this O shape consistent and not too wide. This precise mouth formation is essential for shaping the smoke into a perfect ring. Now for the expulsion. There are two main methods. One involves a quick, soft cough from your throat, gently pushing a small burst of air through your O-shaped lips. The second method uses your tongue. Flick it forward quickly, almost like you are saying TH. Both methods require a gentle, controlled push to form a distinct smoke ring. Practice both to see which works best for you. To achieve consistently perfect smoke rings, remember a few key tips. First, ensure your smoke source provides dense, consistent smoke. Thin smoke makes weak rings. Second, avoid breathing in or out while you are forming and expelling the ring, as this can disrupt its shape. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with slightly different mouth shapes and varying push strengths. Practice makes perfect, so keep trying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.